So guys, this is another short tutorial how to remove water from the inside of the car. I had a lot of water in the car, I think like 2 centimeters, something like that. The complete carpet and the protection parts were full of water. So the most common case for such problems is that the water is coming from here, either from here, somewhere from this area. So let's check out this area. If the water lines are maybe full and we need to clean them, this is the first step to control when you have water in your car. So put away the rubber here. Here's one screw, I already unscrewed. Then you can take this out. Then you remove the wipers. They have a light conus, so you maybe need to rumble a little bit and to push it from the other side after it, and then it's done. If your wiper arms are rusty like my ones are, maybe this is a good point to grind them and to paint them black again. Okay, let's go on with the water. I think I found the problem for the water. There's no water anymore because the car is now a couple of days in the garage. I'll try to show you. As you can see, there is the water drain and it seems pretty closed. As you can see, the drain was completely stuck, you know? No water was coming out anymore. You see, it's loose and broken. Maybe we need to have a new water drain. So the water drain on the passenger side was completely closed like this, and then dirt inside. I cleaned it. I think this was one of the issues. There's another one on the driver's side, and there's another one in the middle which is really hard to reach. I will try my best. I think the second one is hidden under the water canister. So let's remove it, or at least loosen it. It's a 10mm screw here. The one on the driver's side is clean and open, but the gum protection is missing. I will try to show you. There, right beside the cable, you can see it. The hole there. This hole there. It's open. You see the hole? It's open. But the gum ball protection is missing, but the water cannot stay here, as you can see, because it's removed. We will test both sides with water, if it's running down or if it's staying there. Maybe it's closed a little bit deeper where we cannot see it. And we need to check the one in the middle. So, I think I found the problem with the water. There in the middle of the car is another water line, and this one is full of water still. As you can see, I will try to show you. You can see there is water, and this is hidden somewhere here in this corner, the place where the water should go. And I will try to clean it. If I have a solution, I will tell you. So I took me something flexible. This is from the old Cia Rosa door. I don't know if you remember what I did before. Maybe it's better to clean this place. Difficult to get there. Maybe this is good. You hear the water? So let's see, under the car there should be a lot of water now. Yeah, as you can see, this was the solution. So 3 points. One is there, one is behind here, and the last one is in this corner. If you want to clean the one in the middle, take something flexible, go to that place and push it around the corner. And then you will come in the water line. You will hear it when the water is coming out on the downside. After you clean the 3 places, you should check if they are really working now. Take some water, put it on the place and see if it's going away. So even if it seems that I found my water problem, I will show you all other cases, what can happen and how you can get water inside your car. The second thing is the doors, because often the doors are not really closed with the gums or the rubbers, or maybe the foil in the doors is missing or something like that, and you can also get water in the car. And I'm just testing this by getting some water above the doors when they are closed, and we will see if there's water coming in or not. So let's try. As you can see, the car is staying dry, so this door is okay. So as you can see, the car is staying dry from the inside as well. No water coming in, so the doors are okay. So I think the problem was this, or either the antenna, which I need to fix anyway, because there's a little bit rust. So guys, the most common problems with water in the car. We have the front water lines under the wipers, the doors, the sunroof and the antenna. That's the most common problems if you have water inside your driver's side or passenger side floor. So sometimes I can sleep when I make a movie. I'm quite happy. Happy that I found the water problem of my car. I'm quite happy that I found the water problem of my car. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, I found my water problem at my car. I'm very happy that it was just a normal case from the front water lines. But as I told you, it can be the doors, which we tested. It can be a sunroof. I don't have a sunroof at this car, but you can test it the same style, put water in it and see if water's coming in the inside. It's better to remove the interior from the car first, so that you really can see where the water is going if you check your sunroof and you do not destroy anything if there's water coming in there. So, what else to say? The last thing you also can check is the rear door, but only in the case that you have water in the rear side of the car. If you have it on the front side, normally it's not from the rear door. And the last problem you can have, if you have a really old car, which is maybe rusty from the downside, it just can be that the car is so rusted that the water is coming from the downside. All the things I showed you are working with other cars as well for sure. Maybe the water line ingoing points are on another place, you need to search them. Normally you have 2 or 3 or maybe 4 in the front. So have fun with your own car. See you soon. There are 2 more technical problems which can solve that you get water in the car. One is the hose, which is going to the back side to give you spray water on the back window. If this is broken, you also can have water for sure in your car. As you can see, this one still got this water, no problem. The second problem is maybe the exchange system of the heating may be broken and you will lose heating water in the car. But you can check this while running the car. And I really recommend again, take the carpet outside so that you can see whether there's water lost or not. Yep.